forgotten.
Today we are going to learn time. Ready to learn? Let's go! What time is it? It's 1 o'clock. How about this? It's 2 o'clock. What time is it? It's 3 o'clock. And this? It's 4 o'clock. It's 5 o'clock. It's 6 o'clock. It's 7 o'clock. It's 8 o'clock. It's 9 o'clock. It's 10 o'clock. It's 11 o'clock. It's 12 o'clock. Now we will learn minutes. What time is it? It's 5 past 2. It's 10 past 2. It's 1/4 past 2. It's 20 past 2. It's 25 past 2. It's 1/2 past 2. It's 25 to 3. It's 20 to 3. It's 1/4 to 3. It's 10 to 3. And it's 5 to 3. Good.
Thank you for watching. Happy to learn and see you in the next video.